Close your eyes and jump 76 years into the future. It's the year 2100. The world you know today, the traffic, the noise, the pollution, the old cities, has transformed into something that looks more like science fiction than reality floating megacities. AI doctors replacing hospitals, climate-controlled domes, humans living to 120 years. This isn't fantasy. This is the future scientists actually predict. Let's travel into the world of 2010 and see how life will really look. Section 1. Future Cities. Imagine entering a city with no cars, no smoke, no noise. The sky is clear because 80% of transportation has moved underground or into the air. Skyscrapers reach a mile high, connected through sky bridges and digital walkways. Buildings are no longer made of concrete. They're made of smart materials that heal cracks automatically and generate their own electricity. Entire cities float over the ocean because land has become too crowded. Tokyo, Dubai, and New York are predicted to build the first floating megacities by the late 2080s. In 2100, you don't just live in a city, you live inside one giant intelligent organism that adjusts temperature, light, and oxygen based on your mood and health. Section 2. Climate-controlled Earth. By 2100, the planet is hotter, sea levels have risen, and many coastal areas are underwater. But humanity adapts massive climate domes protect entire regions, like giant transparent shields that control humidity, rainfall, and temperature. Farms grow vertically inside skyscrapers. Deserts like Sahara and Nevada transform into solar power farms that generate more energy than all oil on Earth ever produced. Climate change didn't end. Humans learned to engineer the climate. Section 3. AI and Robotics. In 2100, AI is no longer a tool. It's a coworker, a teacher, and in some cases, a friend. Jobs like drivers, cashiers, receptionists, and even factory workers have been replaced by humanoid robots. AI doctors diagnose diseases in less than 1 second. AI tutors teach personalized lessons to every child. Every home has an AI partner, a personal assistant that understands your emotions, cooks your food, manages your schedule, and predicts your mental state before you even feel it. The question in 2100 is no longer, can AI do this? It's, what can humans do that AI can't? Section 4. Human Body and Life Extension. Scientists believe the average lifespan in 2100 could reach 110 to 125 years. Not because of magic, but because aging itself becomes a treatable condition. Nanobots repair damaged cells. Genetic editing removes inherited diseases. Artificial organs last longer than real ones. People don't grow old at 60. They remain active till 90. A 70-year-old in 2010 might look like a 40-year-old today. And the biggest breakthrough? Uploading human consciousness to digital memory, allowing a version of you to live even after your body dies. Section 5. Transportation. In 2100, you won't drive, you'll glide. Flying taxis lift straight into the sky. Hyperloop tunnels send people from New York to Los Angeles in under 50 minutes. Highways belong only to delivery robots and emergency vehicles. Personal cars are rare because most transportation is shared, automated, and electric traveling becomes so quiet and smooth, it feels like teleportation. Section 6. Life Beyond Earth. By 2100, humanity is no longer limited to Earth. Mars has its first stable colonies. The Moon has underground cities. Asteroid mining becomes a new trillion-dollar industry. Humans travel in nuclear-powered spacecraft that don't need fuel stops. A new era begins, not the age of discovery, but the age of planetary expansion. We become a multi-planet species. Section 7. The Dark Side of the Future. But the future of 2010 is not just advanced, exciting, or beautiful. It also has a dark side. In a world where every home has an AI system, privacy becomes almost impossible. Your emotions, habits, weaknesses, your daily routines, everything will be recorded, analyzed, and used to predict your behavior. Hiding the truth, telling small lies, or keeping personal secrets will become harder than ever. Because AI will know everything, the gap between the rich and the poor will grow wider than in any century before. Those who can afford advanced technology will live longer, stronger, and smarter lives, while others struggle to keep up. And the biggest threat? AI hacking. In 2100, your house, your vehicle, your city, and even your body data will be connected to one massive network. One cyber attack could destroy a person's entire life in seconds. The future is powerful, but far from safe. The humans of 2100 will not be like us. They'll be stronger, smarter, healthier, and maybe a little more alone. But one thing will never change: the human desire to explore, to innovate, and to push beyond the boundaries of the possible. If you enjoyed this journey into the future, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Mindscope. Because here, every question opens a door to a new world.